Good morning, and thank God September is over. Thank the Lord. Because I'll tell you what, these last 2 weeks I have hated it. So, we're in October, new month, new opportunity, and hopefully the market gets its stuff together. Yeah, I've been hating this market, dude. Hating it. But we here, even though I still have my sore throat, we are here. Feels better than it did yesterday, though. I think I'm just a little stuffed up this morning, but other than that, we good. How'd everybody do yesterday? Took a small little loss on Apple. Let's see. Premarket live stream. Boom. Yeah, September usually sucks, to be honest with you. Small positive. Nice. Yeah, new month, new opportunity, baby. All right, let's see. What do we got as far as the economic calendar today? Anything too important? Today is Tuesday, so yes. Fed speaker 11, 6:15, PMI at 9:45, ISM at 10. So 9:45 and 10 o'clock, got to be a little cautious. Oh yeah. That's about it. Let's hop right into these levels and see what we can find. So ES is building a base on top of previous all-time highs. As you can see, we're constantly holding it. Let's see, 4 hour. Thank you for the subscribe. We did finally come up into that supply zone. So SPY did hit the supply zone. ES just fell just short of the level. But either way, I still really like this 50, what is that? Guess we delete the shut line, it's not needed. 5823.5 up to 5830. There is a lot of supply up in this area. So anywhere in this zone, I mean, ideally looking for a reject. Unless we get above 5830, then we can just look for continuation. We are still in that 4-hour squeeze. So I guess we'll see what happens at that 4-hour 21 EMA. But yeah, crack above 5830, continuation, reject in this area. It's really all I'm going to be watching on ES. See if we have any demand. We do have like a I would like for that to be a smaller zone. Shed 45. No, so I'd say maybe the very beginning of this zone right here is what I would like to watch. Let's see, 1 hour. So the very beginning of this demand, just because it's such a large zone that I'm not trying to watch this thing for a bounce all the way from 57.92 all the way down to 57.50. So only going to watch the beginning. It also really depends on how we react up here, because if we do reject this zone right here, it's such a key level that, I don't know, I feel like this demand wouldn't be the area that we would want to watch. So really depends on how we react to this level up here. So in the meantime, if we don't hit it, let's watch this. Up there, reject, get above 5830, look for continuation. SPY. Same thing. We did hit the zone, but it was at the very end of the day, and it wasn't like a huge reaction. So still want to watch it. We'll see what happens. And then the very beginning of this zone at 571.63. But with SPY literally from 574.4, which is what we hit yesterday, all the way up into 575 is what I want to watch. So, why this a little lower? Oops. Cool. But yeah, get above 575, look for the continuation. So that's everything I'm going to watch on ES SPY today. See where SPX is trading real quick. About 57.67, look for continuation. 5,700 is our next level. Bounced off 5,800, sorry. Bounced off 5,700 yesterday. Cool, let's do NQ. Sorry, I'm a little stuffy this morning. NQ, waiting for that supply zone up there for a reject. And then in the meantime, as far as the weekly watch list, I didn't have any good bounces. Let's see if there's a smaller zone. Yeah, I mean, with NQ, I'm a little iffy about this demand zone. Not as large of a candle as ES. So really with NQ, I'm only interested if we get up here for a reject. That's the only thing I see on it. So only care about rejects on NQ if we get up into supply. QQQ, kind of the same thing. We did hold. I'm not like a huge fan of basic support and resistance, but we do have like this resistance zone that became support. So I mean, same thing though. I'm really only interested if we get up here for a reject. I guess maybe above pre-market highs we could look for an uptrend, but we'll see. That's a big maybe. So that's it there. Cool. Let's run through some individuals real quick, see what we like. As always, make sure you guys hit that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Especially if you guys want this watch list posted up in the chat. Take 2 seconds, hit that like button. Alrighty, Apple. Don't care about AMD. Did get that very solid monthly close. Ideally watching this for the gap entry. But that's not until way up there, so nothing today. Amazon, possibly a fib actually. A little far away, 182.8. Yeah, I guess if the market was weak, Amazon doesn't look too bad for puts. I don't know why my dog is whining. Hold on, let me get the dog real quick. Yeah, she just wanted to lay in here. But yeah, so I mean, I guess a break below 184.65 doesn't look too bad if you guys want to watch that. Coin. Don't care about Google. It's strong in the pre-market actually. Okay, so we got actually shoulder, head, shoulder. Some relative strength from Google. So that doesn't look too bad for calls if the market were to be strong. Google calls, or what was it? Amazon shorts, potentially. IWM. Oh. see, Meta's gapping up this morning too. So it's got strength. Honestly, probably Meta. Nice relative strength in the morning. Meta calls. You don't care about. We looked at QQQ, Tesla. I would say honestly, I like Google and Meta, especially if the market's strong, and then I could keep Amazon on the side if the market were to be weak. Cool, let's do that. SPY, QQQ, Google, Meta. Let's get these mofos typed up. I'm only interested in Apple for a swing if it gets closer to the 3-day 21. It's the only time I'd be interested in it. It's just a little far. All right, let's go back to SPY. Is bad boy typed up? SPY, reject, 574.42, 575. Looking for continuation. Potential bounce. 571.63. QQQ. Good morning. What's the price target on Meta? And you would want to see it depends if you're swinging. I don't use on balance volume intraday, but you would want to look for a downtrend in the on balance volume. No. Rio's still in the same general area that we bought yesterday. QQQ only interested if you reject up at supply from 492.5 to 494.2. Bingo, and then we had Google. Like the strength in the pre-market. Let's see if Google were to bounce, where would I be interested? Let's say that 1 hour 21 EMA, but we misprinted off of it, which is annoying. Relative strength. Pre-market. Looking for uptrend entries if the market is strong. And then what was the other one that we had? We had SPY, QQQ, Google, Meta. Good old Meta. Yeah, and that monthly on Google actually looks really good if we go back to that. Because we've talked about it a couple times on the monthly. But we had that nice push, pull back to the monthly 21 EMA, very nice bullish hammer, nice little volume behind it, right at the 78.6 as well. So, yeah. Looks very, very good. Yes, you'll be with me and a bunch of other amazing traders throughout the day inside of Team Bull, yes. All right, SPY, QQQ, and Meta. Let's go back to that. Again, make sure you guys take 2 seconds, hit that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Everybody in the TikTok, make sure you guys are following. Go live every single morning, give you guys free watch lists for the day, plus periodically throughout the week, do some live day trading as well. And, market highs for continuation back into 580. Actually, hold on. This was our market all-time high right there. So 77.4. Yeah, actually 577.4 was open. Okay, perfect. Cool. Go above 577.9. Look for the push. Right there. Or more upside. Y'all want to do some live day trading today? Hopefully catch something good this time, because the market has not been nice to me recently. It's October though, so let's hope that we can get something good. Yeah, let's do some live day trading today. I know we're about to hit 92K. Crazy. SPY. Let's see. Hopefully catch a good old banger. One second. Let's get these screenshots real quick. So we got SPY, QQQ, Google. Man, I'm gonna hit 92K subs. That's what I mean. We're pushing towards that 100. I need it. Especially before the end of the year. Boom. All right, so we got SPY, QQQ, Google, Meta, perfect. All right, so before I drop this watch list, any stocks that you guys want me to take a very quick look at before I take my dog out? Give you guys a couple minutes to type them up. See what you guys want me to look at. Yeah, eventually. They just take a while. But I don't know, maybe going into 2025, I'll continue on the one that I have. The third and final one. All right, so this is going to move with crypto, MicroStrategy. I mean, the monthly looks exactly like Bitcoin. Monthly looks really good. Tell you what, if it breaks above 200, this thing's going to fly. It's definitely going to fly above 200. But yeah, right now it looks like, because we got that move up, now we're just consolidating. To me, it looks super bullish on the monthly. It looks like it wants more. But again, really depends on crypto. SMCI, they split today. What? So I mean, I would still watch this level right here. We did get very close to it last week. So 35.7 to 30.50 is what I would watch. Or, I mean, you could even look at your equity now. But yeah, that's the area. That's the support level that I've been waiting on. It's just kind of hard to try to go long after all the news on SMCI. But yeah, that's the level I would watch. Let's do two more. eBay. I think I should have a nice monthly. Oops. So if we're looking at the monthly, higher high, higher low, we chilled in this area for a little bit. If this is truly our higher low, we should go back up and see this higher high, or at least equal highs. Unless obviously something were to happen. But yeah, and we also tested quarterly demand right there. So yeah, it's really all I'd watch on eBay right now. Unless that first touch of the weekly 21, because we haven't tested it since the beginning of this year in February. So that's what I'll watch there. And then Costco, and then I'll give you guys a list. Dog treats. I appreciate you, JD. Let's see, Costco. I'd probably watch that daily and see if it can get structure again above that 21. Because if it could do that, then that could open the door back up towards 923 and then eventually 1,000. So then you do have your weekly demand right here too. 793 to 822.50. And then if we really started to pull back, an area I would watch in the future absolutely would be that monthly 21 or even this monthly demand right here. So definitely a few different areas you could watch. All right, I'll look at one more since you gave me roses on TikTok. The last possible area I'd watch on Boeing is 146. For about, actually, shit. There you go. We literally hit it in the pre-market. Like to see it during market hours, though. See what happens. But, I mean, if we're going to bounce, this is the last possible area at 146. Got those voices in your head again, Don? There are some people you could talk to about that. Anyways, here's the watch list. And like I said, we'll do some live day trading today. I'll go live a little closer towards market open. So probably like 15, 20 minutes before. But as always, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management. I am not responsible for any lost funds. SPY. QQQ. Google. And Meta. Give everybody a couple minutes to write that down. Everybody on TikTok, if you want access to the watch list, head on over to my YouTube channel right now, Brandon Trades. The link is also in my bio. So come tap in. Plus, over 1,100 videos over there as well, teaching you on how to trade for completely free. You can't go wrong with that. Cannot go wrong with free. Awesome. Well, let's actually drop this watch list from Seaton Bull too. Cool. Team Bulls got the watch list, and YouTube channel members, you guys are about to get it as well. But yeah, I'll be live again here in about 30, 40 minutes. Everybody